Good morning, and welcome back to the Scamp. We moved to a new spot this week full of trees to help shelter us from the springtime wind. It's been a total 180 in weather conditions in just a week's time. It's definitely still chilly, especially in the shade, but if there's sun, we are probably laying in it.
Hey, Camp. Come here.
Camp has been doing so well off-leash lately. I don't know if maybe it's the sun making him lazy or what. We keep an eye on him, of course, but he just hangs out around the Scamp. I don't know what's up. It's not his main mission in life right now to run free, so that's awesome.
Good boy, Camp.
We ordered a new camp shower. It's the Nemo Helio LX shower.
You probably don't need it all the way, right?
We got this one because it sits on the ground and is pressurized with a foot pump versus our gravity-fed shower that had to be hung by a tree.
Wow, such pressure.
Cool!
It might help still to put it up a little high.
Pretty cool little thing. It's serious. And then we could have it be a shower like that. But yeah, I just want to let it get hot.
Cool. We made an impromptu decision to meet up with a buddy in the forest.
Do you guys want to go see some caves?
Sure. I met Trevor at the coffee shop. He recognized me while I was working on my computer, and we ended up talking for well over 2 hours. He's lived in this area all his life, so he was excited to show us around.
I'm trying to recall where it's at.
So much before it makes a turn.
Yeah.
Good boy! You're such a good boy. Oh, it's closed.
Well, so obviously out of all the guaranteeing that I'd find this hole in the ground, it's closed because there's hibernating bats until April 30th. But we could probably go find the skylights that go down into the cave.
Let's do it.
Okay. It's weird. Like, there's no way to explain it, I don't think.
Whoa!
Dude, it's like,
Whoa!
I mean, I'm not sure how.
Look out, bud.
It's just eerie because you don't know how deep it is.
It's a, he's just like, woo! It's like 30 feet.
Oh my
It's a huge tube.
Come on.
Look at him teeth.
You find something though.
He's scared. He's obviously scared.
Yep, I showed him. I'm the alpha here, buddy.
This is a Douglas fir tree. You can tell because we don't see any pine cones, but the needles smell like citrus. Smell it. You smell that? Should we make tea out of it? Is that enough?
I think so.
Give me one more. Nice, dude.
Yeah.
Nice. Keep going that way. But that's natural. There you go.
Wow. You're really doing it.
Yeah, dude. There you go.
Being surrounded by these big trees keeps the scamp hidden from the sun till about 11 a.m. That's pretty late, so each and every morning I've gotten out of bed to sit and warm up in the sun. Even in the morning, it's probably only in the high 30s in the shade. Overnight, my shower almost froze, so I had to start the warm-up process all over again. Smoke like this from the stovepipe means the flame is ready, but just needs a little bit of help to get going. Usually a quick light like this will get it going, but we had to switch our compressed logs. The good ones are gone for the season. Compressed logs are simply hard-packed sawdust. Apparently, these new logs are just compressed less, so they don't last as long, don't burn as well, but eventually they get going. This is my friend Allie. We hiked the Smoky Mountains together last fall, if you remember. Allie's a server and a yoga instructor, and like so many people in the world right now, she is out of work and is offering donation-based yoga classes online. I'll leave a link in the description of this video if you're interested in checking her out. It would mean a lot. It's undoubtedly a rough time right now. Many people have been put in a tough spot. There's a lot of shifting and rethinking and reworking our current systems in order to flow with what is. It's very exciting to see so many people pivoting and offering their trades online. With the internet, we have the capacity to reach the entire world. What do you make? What do you teach? What do you have to share? Someone out there wants and needs what you have to offer. And in turn, now more than ever, the creators and the artists and the makers in our communities need our help. If you're looking for guidance on shifting your platform online, or would like a space to share and realize your ideas, join our community on Discord. It's free. Find the link to our server in the YouTube description.
Good morning. I'm going down to the creek for a cold dip. It's really nice out here. It's been in like the low 60s the last couple days. so it's easy to warm up quick in the sun. But the water's still cold because I don't know if you can see. Oh, you can kind of see up there. There's still snow on the mountains, and we're about a half mile from where the snow still is. So this is some pretty cold snow melt. Oh, hace frío. It feels really good though, but it's still cold enough to be quite biting. Okay, I got a ground coffee still. Oops.
You're good. It's pretty room temperature, but I think I'm just gonna shower anyway. Ready to get her done. This is what I use for shampoo. It's a Lush shampoo bar, and then we also have a Lush conditioner bar. We use the same soap for everything. It's Dr. Bronner's soap. We have a few different flavors of this. This is the almond one. And I do shave my armpits and my legs sometimes. I have a bunch of Dollar Shave Club razors that I've just hoarded, and that's what I use. This is my first time using this shower. We have another bag shower that worked great, so we'll see how it goes.
Oh, don't hurt yourself with that pressure.
It's really cold. It's not as luxurious as I had hoped. It was actually nicer to shower in the snow with hot water. Shampoo. Wow, it feels so much better. We'll have to figure that out, but it's really great. I like it. We'll just have to kind of like figure out how it works best. It's better than the other bag shower falling on my head. The pressure is definitely not as strong when you hold a hose up high. That's why I was sitting on the table, was pressure's better lower. Like you said, if we put the bag up high on a table, maybe that would help. We'll just have to see.
What worries me about this type of shower is you keep it in the sun to warm it up, and it's made out of like a rubbery plastic. So I feel like over time it'll have to degrade. But hopefully it'll last a long time. We'll keep you updated on how well it works over time. But so far, it's pretty effective. Look at this giant ponderosa. real big. One of the biggest I've ever seen, I think. We've been having a blast with archery these last few weeks, and a lot of people have been asking about our kit. I wrote a blog post about the entire setup with links to each piece that you can find on my site, normal2nomad.com, and there's a link in the description. We hope you enjoyed this video. Elsa is the best editor in town. She is really pretty, so pretty, and I enjoy her so much. I love making pancakes for her and buying donuts for her. She deserves all the donuts. Watch out, world. The end. See you in the next video. Ha.